So Tecno just released the Camon series, and in this video we shall be talking about the Camon 20 Premier. The Camon 20 Premier is a mid-range smartphone that costs about 290,000 Naira and 644 in USD. It aims to deliver with a sleek design, beautiful large display, powerful camera setup and decent performance capabilities. All these goes for a decent price. With a host of features, it certainly grabs the attention of everyone, because let's see if the device can attest for all its hype. Now, before we begin, let's check out the contents in the box. It has in the box the device itself, a hard plastic case, a 1 + 12 months warranty card, a 45-watt charger brick, a USB Type-C cable, a pair of USB Type-C earphones with an included SIM ejector. Tecno has always maintained its standards on its accessories, which has always been a plus on its end and a downside on its competitors. I will give a round of applause to Tecno for that. Now, moving further for its design, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier sports a stylish design with a leather finish on the backside and an astonishing square-like metal profile for the frame. It has a speaker grille, a USB Type-C port and a dual SIM tray, all located at the base. On the top, it has a speaker grille, a microphone, and on the right side, the volume rocker and power button can be found. The large 6.67 inches display dominates the front, offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The phone feels comfortable in the hand, although its size may pose a challenge for users with smaller hands. The rear panel houses the camera module, which adds a touch of elegance to the device. The device boasts of a full AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. The screen produces crisp and detailed visuals, making it enjoyable for watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games. The colors are vibrant and the brightness level are decent, ensuring good visibility even under direct sunlight. However, the amazingly high refresh rate of 120Hz is a plus for those who value smooth scrolling and gaming experiences with the right application. It has an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty responsive and I would say gives it a shoulder-to-shoulder feel with the bigger boys in the industry. The highlights of the Camon 20 Premier is its camera setup. It features a quad camera system comprising a 50-megapixel wide primary lens, a 108-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, with a flashlight embedded in it, and the 32-megapixel selfie camera. The primary camera captures sharp and detailed photos with good dynamic range and accurate colors. The ultra-wide-angle lens expands the field of view, allowing you to capture more in a single frame. The macro lens enables bokeh shots with pleasing background blur. So this is the camera test of the Tecno Camon 20 Premier. Tell me what you think in the comment section. So overall, the camera is quite impressive for a device in this price range. Moving on to the performance. Under the hood, the Camon 20 Premier is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8050 processor paired with an 8GB of RAM expandable to 16GB using RAM+. With the phone scoring 660K on Altitude and 1094 single-core and 3222 multi-core score on Geekbench test, this combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for everyday tasks. The device handles intense gaming with ease and runs most apps smoothly. However, heavy gaming might push this device to its limits and occasional frame drops may occur. On the software side, the phone runs on the Tecno iOS 13, which is based on Android 13, and I mean no user has complained about it. The Camon 20 Premier packs a 5000 mAh battery, which provides ample power to keep the device running throughout the day on moderate usage. With later usage, you can even stretch it to a day and a half. However, heavy gaming and extensive camera use may drain the battery more quickly. The device supports fast charging, allowing you to quickly top up the battery when needed. Overall, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier is an impressive device that delivers a solid camera performance, a vibrant display, and a reliable overall performance which you and I want. Its sleek design and competitive price makes it attractive for budget-friendly consumers. In my opinion, it offers excellent value for your money. Thank you for your time, and if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And before I forget, if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section and I definitely will attend to them. In the meantime, adios.